Hi guys. So on this video, I'm going to explain the activity that I sent to you earlier. So about double angle identities. So itong mga naka-highlight nito, ito yung mga items na pinasagutan sa class ninyo, right? Okay, so but before we answer this, so recall natin ano ba yung mga double angle identities. So for double angle of sine 2 theta, or sine 2x na lang. So the identity is written by 2 sine x cosine x, right? For cosine 2x, so we have, okay, tatlo yan actually, diba? So we have cosine squared x minus sine squared x. Okay, in our classroom, we emphasize that there are three possible formula for cosine 2x. So meaning to say, so in order to get the second one, so we know the fact that cosine squared x is equivalent to 1 minus sine squared, right? So adding negative sine squared and negative sine squared x will have uh, 1 minus 2 sine squared x. And lastly, the third one is same procedure, yung sine squared x is 1 minus cosine squared. So meaning cosine squared minus 1 minus cosine squared x will become 2 cosine squared x, right? So second identity is 2 cosine squared x minus 1. So yan yung tatlong identity for cosine 2x. And lastly, for tangent 2x, so we have 2 tangent x, okay, all over 1 minus tangent squared x, right? So again, here are the identities that we're going to use to answer the activity that I sent you earlier. So let's have this one. So for letter B, so ang instruction dito, express the following using double angle identity. So madali lang siya. So for number one, sabi dito, sine 200, very basic, no? So we can express sine 200 as, okay, using the identity, 2 sine, syempre, uh, ang relation nito, like I said, x, ito 2x, so 1 is twice the other. So we can say that this one is 2 sine 100 cosine 100, right? So it's as simple as that. So for number two, so we have cosine 302. So there are three options here. So ang cosine 302, guys, that's equivalent to, okay, so cosine squared, okay, ano ba yung half ng 302? So that is 151, right? Cosine squared 151 minus sine squared 151. Again, tatlo siya. So if pwedeng some of you will answer this one, pwedeng 2 cosine squared 151 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine squared 151. As simple as that. Okay? Next, for number 3, okay, ano bang number 3? So, ang sabi dito, cosine 4 pi over 3. So, ang half ng 4 pi over 3 is 2 pi over 3. So, therefore, ang cosine 4 pi over 3 can be written as, isa na lang gagamitin ko is instead of 3. So, pwede ko ito isulat as 2 cosine squared 2 pi over 3 minus 1. As simple as that. Okay? And lastly, for number 4, sabi dito, we have tangent 82. So, wait lang. So, ang tangent 82, ang half ng 82 is 41. So, therefore, this one can be written as 2 tangent 41, 2 tangent 41 over 1 minus tangent squared 41. Okay, so I hope you got all items correctly. So, let's proceed to letter C. So, in letter C, sabi dito, use the given information to find the exact value of sine 2 theta, cosine 2 theta, and tangent 2 theta. And we're going to answer number 3 and 4. So let's start first with number 3. Okay. So, sabi dito, tangent theta equals 3/4. Theta is in quadrant 2, kaya tangent is negative. So, again, in-emphasize ko yan sa class natin. So, pag ganito yung cases, we draw triangle, right? And then definition ng tangent is opposite over adjacent against angle. Ito yung 3 ko, ito yung 4. Disregard yung negative because negative indicates the sign of the tangent in quadrant 2. Okay? So therefore, as you can see here, right, triangle yan, Pythagorean 3, 4, we know that the hypotenuse will be 5. Okay? So, we can now identify sine 2 theta. So for letter A, so yung sine 2 theta ko is equivalent to, again, using the identity, so 2 sine theta cosine theta. Okay? So that is 2 times. Ano bang sine theta? Okay, so you are referring on the figure, so that is opposite over adjacent, that's simply 3 over 5. Positive. Bakit? Quadrant 2. Sine is positive in quadrant 2. While cosine in quadrant 2 is negative, so that is 4/5. See that? Okay, as simple as that. So therefore, simplifying it, we're going to have 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. So the answer here is negative 24 over 25. So this is the value of sine 2 theta. Okay, next. So next. So let's have letter B. Okay, so letter B, ang sabi naman dito, cosine 2 theta again like what we did earlier. So pwede kong gamitin dyan is, I'll just, I'll just use this identity. 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Okay, take note again, ang cosine in quadrant 2 is negative. So that will be, ang cosine ko dito is 4 over 5, negative. Anyway, ma-square naman yan, so magiging positive eventually. So all you have to do is just to simplify this. That is 2 times 16 over 25 minus 1. Or 32 minus 32 over 25 minus 1, or simply 7 over 25. See that? Okay, lastly, for letter C, so since we're after for tangent, let me use a different color. Since we're after for tangent, so ang tangent 2 theta is equal to 2 tangent theta. Ano ba ang 2 tangent theta? Sorry. Sige. 2 tangent theta over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Pagkasyahin natin ha. Okay, 2 times. Ano ba ang tangent theta? Again, negative 3/4 since uh, quadrant, ano to? 2 over 1 minus 3/4 square ko na kasi wala na akong space. That will be 9 over 16. Alright, for a while. Okay. Ano ba ito ulit? Pagka-shine ko Okay. Sige, tumula ako ng space. Anyway, so this one here will become, ang 2 times negative 3/4 is negative 3/2. Okay? Over 7 over 16. So since division of fraction, so we multiply it by the reciprocal. So again, this is 16 minus 9, 7 over 16. So magiging 16 over 7. Okay, so cross, makakancel yan. Okay, makakancel to. Okay, this one will become 8. So the final answer here will become negative 3 times 8 is negative 24 over 7. Okay, or actually, tangent naman. So ito yung ginawa ng classmate nyo before. So pwede naman to, sine 2 theta over cosine 2 theta will become negative 24 over 7. So no need for this one. Okay, pinakita ko lang. Okay, next. Okay, next. Same instruction. So, pero number 4. Okay, for number 4, ito instruction. So dito ko na lang. So for number 4, cosecant ang given this time. Ano ba ang cosecant? So again, we draw a triangle. Ito yung theta. Ano ba reciprocal ng cosecant? Diba sine? So ang sign is reciprocal of square root of 5, which is 1 over square root of 5. Now, by Pythagorean theorem, this one will become square root of 5 squared minus 1 squared. So that will be square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, so here comes our triangle. Okay, now, so let's get sine 2 theta here. So for letter A, ang sine 2 theta is equivalent to 2 sine theta. Ano bang sine theta? Again, tingin tayo sa illustration. Opposite over adjacent. So quadrant 2 yan. So 1 over square root of 5. While ang cosine, that is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that is negative. Kasi quadrant 2, negative 3, negative 2 over square root of 5. So simplifying this, we're going to end up with negative 4 over 5. Square root of 5 squared is 5. Okay. For letter B, so let's have cosine 2 theta. Even cosine 2 theta. Again, this time I'm going to use sine naman, so that positive. So 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Okay? So ano ba yung sine? Tingin dito. So 1 over square root of 5. 1 over square root of 5. This time we're going to square it. Okay, so that is 1 minus 2 over 4. Okay, so simplifying it, we're going to have 3 over 5. Okay, lastly, for letter C, so hindi ko na gagawin yung ginawa ko kanina wherein we use the formula. This time, we can just get tangent 2 theta, okay, by dividing sine 2 theta and cosine 2 theta. That is negative 4 over 5 over 3 fifths or negative 4 over 3. There you go. Okay, I hope everything is clear here. So let's have last exercises here. Ito medyo maraming hanapin, but it's okay. So, says here, for letter C, use the identities to find the values of the indicated in each of the following. So here, cosine 2 theta, ang sabi is 3 fifths. Okay? This time given in double angle, right? 3 fifths. We're asked to get the following: cosine theta, sine theta, and sine 2 theta. Okay? Paano kaya natin siya gagamitin? So, recall natin, ano ba yung formula ng cosine 2 theta? Gusto ko makuha yung cosine theta na involved. Remember, ang formula ng cosine 2 theta is equal to 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Okay? So, since given ang cosine 2 theta, which is 3 fifths, okay? Madali na yan, di ba? That will be 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. So, you just manipulate it. So that is, transpose natin negative 1. So magiging 3 fifths plus 1. Okay, see that? So magiging 8 fifths equals 2 cosine squared theta. Okay, so we divide both sides by 2. So we're going to have 4 fifths. Okay, cosine squared theta. And lastly, so get the square roots for us to get cosine theta. So lalabas square root of 4 over 5 or 2 over square root of 5. Okay, or 2 square root of 5 over 5. See that? Okay, now, I'm done with cosine, so let's sub sine theta. Paano naman ang sine theta? Actually, you can also use the formula 1 minus 2 sine squared theta, but so since given in cosine theta ko, so drawing na tayo ng triangle. Madali na yon. Okay? So remember, ang cosine natin is 2 over square root of 5. Okay, so meaning by Pythagorean theorem, this is 1. Okay, that's it. So ang sine theta here is just 1 over square root of 5, okay? Or square root of 5 over 5. Positive kasi quadrant 1. Okay? And lastly, for item number 1, so ang sine 2 theta natin, okay, didiretsuin ko na, equals 2 times sine theta, square root of 5 over 5. Wait, 1 over square root of 5 times ang cosine, 2 over squared 5. So simplifying it, we're going to end up with 4 pips. Okay? Sige. Question number 2. Alright, same instruction pa rin. Okay, sige. Let me copy. Right. Question number 4 pala, sorry. This time, ang given tangent 2 theta and we're looking for tangent 2 theta given ng sine theta. Okay. So again, paano ba ito gagawin? So tangent 2 theta, we have to recall ano yung identity for this. That is 2 tangent theta. Okay. Over 1 minus tangent squared theta. Medyo maingay. Okay. So drawing tayo ng triangle. So I hope you can still hear me, no? So theta. So sine theta is 3 over 5. So therefore, by Pythagorean theorem, this is 4. So that's it. 2 times tangent theta, 3 over 4, over 1 minus 3/4 squared, which is 9 over 16. Simplifying it, we're going to have, same nung kanina, 3 halves over 7 over 16. Okay? So simplifying it, so 3 halves times 16 over 7. So simplifying it, we're going to have 24 over 7. There we go. Okay. Last item, number 5. Okay. Cosine theta equals, wait lang. May ano pala to. Quadrant 2. I forgot. Sorry about that. Negative pala to. So, negative yan. Okay. So, magiging negative to. Ito anyway, regardless. So, the answer here is negative because of quadrant 2 pala. Sorry. Okay. Hindi ko nang ma-miss. Last item. This time, cosine theta in 8 over 17, quadrant 4. Again, drawing tayo ng triangle for a while. Drawing tayo ng triangle. Okay, ito yung theta. Cosine is 8 over 17. So by Pythagorean theorem, so Pythagorean triple, 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triple. Right? Okay. So, using the same formula, cosine tangent to theta. So I'll just copy this one. I'll just copy this one. All right. So, 2 tangent theta. Yun kasi hinahanap. Ang tangent theta is quadrant 4, negative yan. Negative 15 over 8 over 1 minus 15 over 8 squared. That is 15 squared over 8 squared. Kaya medyo malaki-laki ito. Tama? Okay, so simplify natin. So this one will become negative 50. Hindi ko ika-cancel yung 2 and 8 kasi later on we're going to use cancellation. Okay, ano ibig sabihin? Watch this. So negative 30 over 8. Okay, times. Okay, remember, this one will become 8 squared minus 15 squared over 8 squared. So meaning to say, so kukunin ko yung reciprocal nito. Okay, 8 times 8, 8 squared over 8 squared minus 15 squared, it's 8 plus 15, okay, times 8 minus 15. Okay, baka sakali. Difference of 2 squares ako. So here guys, makikita natin, maka-cancel to. May maka-cancel ang 8. Okay? Then, so we're going to have negative 30 times 8 over, ano ba 8 plus 15? That's 23. Tama? Ito, 8 minus 15 is negative 7. Okay, sad to say, prime ng 23 and 7, so wala ka nang maka-cancel dyan. So, choice tayo, but to multiply. So, in the numerator, negative over negative yan. Sa numerator, magkakaroon ako ng 240. Sa denominator ko, 23 times 7. So, we can just multiply it out. So, 21, 14, 16. Ma, so, that will be 161. Tama ba ako? Okay. So the answer here is 240 over 160. So I hope you got all the items correctly of your activity earlier. Okay.